And look at this fab painting by Georgina. She's painted the outline of the fish in black and filled in the large shapes in the picture with big, bold strokes. Yeah, nice painting, Georgina. Hey, and when you're doing a picture that's large areas of colour like that, here's a trick that may seem obvious, but it's amazing how many people don't get it right. Use the right size brush. Now, small brushes are great for fine, intricate detail, and they help you stay within the lines of your drawing if you've done little bits like this. But with larger areas like this, and in Georgina's picture, large brushes are best because you can really load them up with lots more paint that spreads a long way, and you then don't have to keep going back for paint. This is especially useful when you want to do a nice smooth wash, like on a sky or something. Nice one, Georgina. Now, where were we? Oh, yes.